On the left-hand side, go to Apps and search for YouTube Embed. Click on the YouTube Embed app. And now I can embed a YouTube video into my presentation. So for this example, my presentation is about traveling to Switzerland. So I can type in any video that's related to my presentation. I can simply click on the video and add it. So if I go to present, I go to the top and present, and I can play this video. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.